Hello everybody, it's time to the first time with VHS update on a This Time It's Not Alone until February 18th, 2026. So let's get the show on the road, shall we, okay? Alrighty then. Starting with this video cassette right in front of us with Sinbad, Legend of the Seven Seas. 2 thumbs up with even a Wilbur. This is for 2003 releases. In a Cyclops Island, all-new animated adventure with bonus features only on video. A lot of fun for a whole family. Spectacular and funny. And this time, it's not really necessary. And this one, here's the tape looks like an ink label. Yep. Printed on November 18th, 2003. That was pretty neat, huh? Next up, we got a Pokèmon Jirachi Wishmaker. This is for an all-new movie plus never-before-seen Pokemon short. I'm not crying, but I'm happy. With an exclusive this time in Merrimack's Home Entertainment. Yeah. And this time... And here's a tape like an ink label. Printed on the week of 2004. And this time it's not alone. Ink label was pretty neat, huh? Work on it. It's for slipcover cases. It's now cardboard cases in Pacific Inferno. This is for 1985 releases. And this time it's not alone, including VCL Communication distributed by Media Home Entertainment. And now, there's only one thing to do, say, you have to go through me. And here's a tape, like a sticker label, printed, and there's an label on there. But sort of in more somebody look like to be. Work on it to you guys. Work on it. Next up, we got Charlie's Angel, Full Throttle. Cameron Diaz is for Shrek, The Mask, and The Bad Teacher. This is for 2003 releases. Yep, he's a favorite television series and never before. Yeah. And here's a tape like a sticker label and a blockbuster and label on there. Pretty neat on there. Next up, we got Full Tilt Boogie, Unzip It, Unwrap It, Unleashed. This is for the first time Robert Rodriguez from Quentin Tarantino. Yeah, including in his first time they each sold separately. And there's only one thing to do, say, you must see the 4 movies fans. And this time it's not alone. More fun than most summer releases. And here's a tape like an ink label and a Hollywood video and label on there. Next up, we got a Sinbad of the Seven Seas. Lou Ferrigno stars in the action hero Cage 2. In this for 1990 releases. Yep. Set sail for the realm of magical adventure beyond your wireless dream. Yeah. And here's a tape like a sticker label. And label on it. This is for Canon Video, distributed by Warner Home Video. Pretty neat on there. Next up, we got What's Cooking? Family Fights Feast. In the holiday traditional is a 2 thumbs up. This is for 2000 releases. Yep. Never doubted for a second. That's a good start. And here's a tape like a sticker label. And a Hollywood video label on there. Yeah, and finally we got A Dangerous Line. This is for Canada video. This is for 1989 releases, including Nova Home Video. And it's this time the Canadian. Here's a tape like a sticker label and an iron label on it. Find out. We're gonna more dedicate for everybody with Ace, Kitty, Cody, and that's one of you, Billy. And I'll come back real soon and see you later, kids.